How to update Wirex application on your iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are using the Wirex app on your iPhone and want to make sure you have the latest version, then first of all, open your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Inside the App Store, search for Wirex in the search bar and search. You'll find the Wirex Finance Manager and Trade application from the search results. Go ahead and open up this app info section and tap on the update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it and the latest version for Wirex will start downloading. If you don't see the update button, but instead you see this open button, then it means that you are currently running the latest version already. So that's how you can easily update Wirex to the latest version using your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.